Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're talking about what many are calling the best Roto Molded Cooler out there, the EchoSmile Cooler. Built for adventurers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike, the EchoSmile Cooler is more than just your average cooler. It's a rugged companion designed to keep your beverages chilled and your food fresh, no matter where your adventures take you. So, what sets the EchoSmile Cooler apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details.
First off, let's talk ice retention.
The EchoSmile Cooler boasts an impressive 5-day ice retention period, thanks to its innovative design and superior insulation. With a recommended 2-to-1 ice-to-contents ratio, you can trust that your drinks will stay icy cold throughout your entire trip. Speaking of insulation, the EchoSmile Cooler features a polyurethane intermediate insulation layer that provides both superior insulation and high strength.
Plus, a silicone sealing ring ensures that heat convection is kept at bay, further prolonging the cryopreservation time.
But it's not just about keeping things cold. The EchoSmile Cooler is built to last. With its sturdy rotomolded construction and LLDPE material, this cooler can withstand more than 310 pounds.
That means you can sit or stand on the lid without worrying about it breaking. And let's not forget about the little details.
From silicone tension latches that won't break easily to UV inhibitors that protect against sun damage, the EchoSmile Cooler is packed with thoughtful features.
Plus, anti-slide rubber feet keep it stable, while impact rubber-absorbing ergonomic grips make it easy to move around. And when it's time to pack up, a convenient drain plug allows you to remove water without turning the cooler upside down.
So, whether you're heading out on a camping trip, a picnic in the park, or a day out on the boat, the EchoSmile Cooler has got you covered. With its durability, superior insulation, and thoughtful design, it's no wonder why so many outdoor enthusiasts are calling it the best Roto Molded Cooler on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the products you love.
Until next time, happy adventuring!